everyone, welcome to my new video. So this video is so interested. So look at the sunrise, so beautiful, and let's paint. So let's apply gesso on both stones and look at my painting palette. It's so funny because this palette is so dirty. I didn't clean it. So both are dried and let's paint on them. So starting with rough sketch and now doing painting, and I'll paint a cartoon character. So you guess which cartoon character is this?
2,000 years later.
So my both paintings are done. Like which is you like and which one is win? Tell me in comment box. We meet in next video. Bye.